My new Ipsy bag is here! My new Ipsy bag is here! Hi everybody, my name's Amanda and I'm kind of new here. So, I don't know if you got that, but my new Ipsy bag is here. So, sorry, moving stuff. Time to open it up. Now, I did do a little sneak peek into what is coming my direction, coming my way, and I did do some stuff, but I have my base on, I have a bronzer on, but I forgot that I had skincare products. So here's 2 sheet masks, a natural acai berry and natural tox. This one is an apple sheet mask. This one isn't. So that's gonna go in my sheet mask drawer. But let's look inside the bag. I do that a lot. Huh. It's a pretty red, pink, the red version of it. Now, okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is from Bare Minerals Sensorials. I'm not really sure what that is. I think this is more a serum, but here we go. So I also got a blush from Ofra. The color is Blush Melon, so since I'm here and I've got somewhere to be soon, let's try it on. This will work. I'm using one from Christian Siriano that I got at Walgreens during a like after Christmas deal. I like this color. Okay, so that's there, and I will put that in my little Ofra Z palette deal that I got from BoxyCharm, but I think you can still order it. Okay, so the next thing we got was a little eyeshadow palette from Pacifica. The name of the palette is Tomboy, and I'm at a weird angle, so I'm sorry for the weird angleness. So let's slide this out. Okay, so we got this. Now that I've gotten the packaging off, let me show you. These are the colors. And I'm gonna have fun with this. Now, I'm not wearing any contacts nor my glasses, so let's see how this works out. Here are the colors. I think first I'm gonna put this orangey color in my crease. I'm only going to do a 3 shadow look today, but now that I did that, I think I'm going to put this color, the yellowy green color, I'm going to put that in my inner corner on my lid. I am really loving that color. I'm going to put a little more, blend this in together a little bit. I think I'm going to put this color in my outer corner. Just so, I don't know if I said this, but the name of the palette is Tomboy. Build up that yellowy color again. And I think I'm going to use this middle orangey shimmer, and I'm going to put that in the center of my lid. Yeah. It's one you should wet. So this is my finished look. I went ahead and I put on a highlighter from Essence, the Pure Nude one. And I have a lipstick from Ades that I got in my BoxyCharm a while back called Hot, H-A-U-T-E, chocolate. And did mascara and filled in my brows with gel, the Brow gel. And that's it. So, if you like what you see here, guys, don't forget to like, you know, the thumbs up thing right there. And maybe subscribe. See, hit the red thingy that looks like that. That's down below. And while you're there, ring the little bell. You know, like that. What that does is it tells you when I upload. So, that could be fun. We'll see you guys soon.